Is your Optus Fetch box stuck on checking internet connection? This frustrating issue usually stems from problems with your Wi-Fi or DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Basically, your Fetch box can't properly connect to your internet. Wi-Fi interference or unstable connections are common culprits. Your Fetch box connects via 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz bands, and interference from neighboring networks, microwave ovens, or thick walls can cause signal drops. Channel selection is important to avoid congestion. Too many devices on the same channel can slow down your connection. DHCP, which automatically assigns IP addresses to devices, can also fail. A stuck checking state often means the device can't obtain or renew an IP lease from the router. IP conflicts can occur when multiple devices claim the same address, preventing proper connection. Optus's network updates and mergers, like the Tangerine integration in 2024, can sometimes contribute to intermittent outages based on user reports from forums. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step to fixing the problem.